Hey tech fans! Google just dropped a groundbreaking Gemini model that lets robots run AI offline, and it's crushing it. Are we living in a sci-fi movie? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this robot revolution. Google DeepMind unveiled Gemini Robotics on device, a language model that powers robots to work offline with near cloud-level smarts. From folding clothes to assembling parts, this tech's wild. Want to see how it's changing robotics? Keep watching. Built on the March 2025 Gemini Robotics model, this new version runs locally on robots, controlling their movements without a cloud connection. Google claims it outperforms other models, nearly matching the cloud-based Gemini Robotics. In demos, robots using this model unzipped bags, folded clothes, and even tackled industrial assembly on a bi-arm Frank of FR3, handling new objects like a pro. That's next-level AI. Google's also launching a Gemini Robotics SDK, letting developers train robots with just 50 to 100 task demos using the Mujoko physics simulator. With natural language prompts, you can tweak the model to fit any job. Think custom robot assistants. This makes robotics more accessible for devs. How cool is that? This launch puts Google ahead of the robotics race. Offline AI means faster, more reliable robots for factories, homes, or even space. NVIDIA's building humanoid platforms and Hugging Face is crafting open robotics models, but Google's on-device tech could set the standard. Are robots about to take over our world? Gemini Robotics on-device is live now, and with the SDK, devs can start building smarter robots from today. From industrial tasks to household chores, this tech has got endless potential. Are you hyped for offline robot AI? Or curious about what devs will create? Drop your thoughts below. That's the scoop on Google's Gemini Robotics on device. Are you stoked for robots that think offline or dreaming of your own AI assistant? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.